and it was determined she was pregnant, at which time she told her stepmother, and the stepmother reported it to the young girl's therapist, that her father was the baby's father.
Decisions that would follow this revelation and decisions made before it by the West Virginia Department of Health and Human Resources are the basis of a recent lawsuit. The claim filed earlier this month states in 2010, an 11-year-old girl in West Virginia foster care was placed with her biological father, whom she hardly knew.
They did not do an adequate investigation. He had some things in his background that may have dictated against it.
According to the woman's attorney, James Barber, just 3 months after being placed in the home, she was pregnant with her father's child.
Instead of removing her from the situation entirely, removed her to the extent that she went to live with her stepmother and her stepmother's mother. Understand, the stepmother still had very close allegiance with the biological father.
That stepmother is accused of taking the girl in for an abortion to conceal evidence.
At the time that happened, the state police were trying to get a test done that would have determined paternity.
The girl would return to her father's care. He was later arrested on charges of incest. Now, that 11-year-old girl is 21 years old, and she is suing DHHR for ordinary and gross negligence and reckless conduct, among other claims.
She is a very strong young lady. I'm very impressed with her.
DHHR said in a statement to 13 News that they are evaluating the claims and will be conducting an internal investigation. But it's not the only lawsuit they are facing. They're also seeking to dismiss a federal class action lawsuit that claims the state mistreated foster children.
They're understaffed, they're overworked. I understand that. But they have one of the most crucial jobs there is, protecting really fragile, really already damaged children.
I would not think that the case would go to trial. 2020 is possible, not likely, but it's possible. And of course, it's always partly contingent upon the court's